last class we have studied about the rational number, that what is the rational number and how the different rational number can be obtained by multiplying any integer or any number. Now today we will discuss about how we can decide which rational number is largest. If two or more than two rational number is given, and then we have to find out which rational number is largest. The rational number chapter is common for both 7th and 8th student. In both class, rational number chapter is given for CBSE class 7th and class 8th. So this chapter is very advantageous for all the students of class 7th and 8th. And this chapter is also very useful for the higher classes also. This is the basic. So all the students must have full command on this chapter. Now we will decide which rational number is largest. For that, I am writing the two rational number, and we have to find which two between the two rational number, which number is largest. Question is, which rational number is largest? The question is, which rational number is largest, 7 by 8 or 6 by 7? For this, all the students must learn the table. Actually, we know that most of the students not learn the table up to 10, above 10. So I am taking the example only for that table which is smaller than 10. In the above question, first of all, we must see the denominator. In both rational number, we have to check the denominator. In first rational number, which is 7 by 8, in it, the 7 is numerator and 8 is denominator. First rational number, 7 by 8, first rational number is 7 by 8. In it, 7 is numerator, 7 is numerator and 8 is denominator. 8 is denominator. And in second rational number, second rational number, number 6 by 7, in it, six is numerator and 7 is denominator. And 7 is denominator. So in both number, in first 8 is denominator and in second number 7 is denominator. So we must remember the table of 8 and 7. All the student must learn the table up to 9. After that, the solving of question will be very easy. The rule is, in first number we will multiply with denominator of second number. In first number we will multiply with denominator of second number. So multiply first rational number, multiply first rational number by denominator of second number, rational number, denominator of second rational number, that is 7. So we get, so the first rational number first rational number changes as like this. Seven by 8 multiply by 8, 7 by 8 multiply by 7, denominator of second number. So the new number becomes 49. 7 7 ja 49. You have to always learn the table up to 9. 7 7 ja 49 in 7 table, and 7 8 ja 56. So the first number becomes, so the first rational number becomes equal to 49 by 56. Similarly, we have to multiply the second number with the denominator of first number. Similarly, multiply the second rational number 6 by 7 by denominator of first number, that is 8. So the second rational number becomes, so the second rational number becomes 6 by 7 multiply by 8, denominator of first rational number, denominator of first rational number, that is equal to 48 by 56. So the two given rational number, so the two given rational number seven by 8 and 6 by 7 now becomes now changes, you can write changes or becomes both into 49 by 56 and 48 by 56. It means 7 by 8 equal to 49 by 56 and 6 by 7 equal to 48 by 56. The denominator of both new rational number is same, that is 56. The denominator of both rational number, the denominator of both rational number, the denominator of both rational number is 56, and it is very easy to find which rational number is largest. Check the numerator only. The rational number having larger numerator, that rational number will be largest. The rational number having largest numerator, the rational number having largest numerator will be largest rational number. Largest rational number. Largest rational number. So between 49 divided by 56 and 48 divided by 56, 49 by 56 is largest number. 49 by 56 is largest rational number. Because numerator of first rational number is greater than second rational number. I explained in expanded form all the theory, how you can decide which rational number is largest. But now we will take some certain example, and I will not explain in expanded form, only the technique how to solve quickly which rational number is largest. For that, I am taking 2 or 3 more examples of rational numbers. I am writing the questions form of rational number. Question: which is greater? Which is greater? First, 3/4 and 7/8. Second, 13/7 and 14/8. Third, 9/8 and 6/5. We will discuss about these 3 examples, how to find quickly in very short time which is greater or largest rational number among between the 2 rational number. For that reason, answer 3/4 equal to 3/4 multiply 8/8, that is 24/32. Here 8 is denominator of second, denominator of second rational number. 8 is denominator of second rational number. 7/8 equal to 7/8 multiply by 4/4, that is 28/32. Here 4 is denominator of first rational number. 4 is denominator of first rational number. Between 3/4 and 7/8 means between 24/32 and 28/32. So 28 is larger than 24. It means 28/32 is largest rational number. But your final answer will be answer will be 7/8 because 28/32 obtained from 7/8. Answer 7/8 is largest. Similarly, we will discuss about 13/7 and 14/8. Second problem, we have to decide which rational number is largest, 13/7 or 14/8. The second problem I am going to solve in easy method so that all the 7th and 8th class student easily understand how to decide which rational number is greater. दोस्तों ये फ्रेंड्स ये जो क्लास है मेरा ये फ्री ऑफ क्लास है. आप मेरे चैनल से इसको देख सकते हैं और अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं. इसको देखिए और हर चैप्टर को मैं इसी तरह से समझाऊंगा. आपको कहीं ट्यूशन के लिए पैसे खर्च करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये फ्री क्लासेस हैं. आप इसको देखिए और देख के समझिए. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप मेरे दिए हुए कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर पर क्वेश्चन भी पूछ सकते हैं, अपने प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. तो अब मैं ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करना है, वेरी इजी मेथड. अगर आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया और उस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के मेथड को आपने अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया तो कोशिश करिए कि सेकंड और थर्ड क्वेश्चन खुद करें. बट अगर नहीं समझ में आता है तो आप उसका सोल्यूशन देखें. सेकंड और थर्ड का भी मैं सोल्यूशन देने जा रहा हूँ. मेथड एकदम सेम है, द सेम मेथड. आंसर सेकंड 13/7 and 14/8. In this two rational number, you have to first change these two rational number into new equivalent two rational number. Means 13/7 will change into another rational number and 14/8 will also change into another rational number. But the new two rational number must have same denominator. We have discussed earlier how the denominator will be same of any given rational number. How we can make the denominator of rational number same? The easy way, only we have to multiply both rational number by the denominator of reverse number. Means second number must multiply by denominator of first and first number must be multiplied denominator of second. Now 13/7, rational number 13/7 is equal to 13/7 multiply 8/8 denominator of first. Here 8 is denominator, 8 is denominator of second rational number. 8 is denominator of second rational number. 13/7 equal to 104 divided by 56, and similarly 7/8 equal to, and similarly 14/8 equal to 14 by 8 multiply with 7, denominator of first, rational number, denominator of first rational number, denominator of first rational number. So 14 by 8 changes into 98 by 56. Now we have to decide which number is largest, 104 by 56 or 98 by 56. But as we know from counting, 104 is largest, then 98 larger number, 104 is bigger number, larger number from 98, and denominator of both is same 56. So the denominator have no importance. You have to check only the numerator, and the numerator 104 is greater. So largest, larger rational number, larger rational number, larger rational number is 104 by 56, and this is obtained from, and this is obtained from 13 by 7. So 13 by 7 is final answer. 13 by 7 is largest. 13 by 7 is largest rational number. Answer 13 by 7. In first example, we have solved which rational number is largest. In second example, we also find which is the largest rational number. Now we will discuss about third example, that is 9 by 8 and 6 by 5. Which rational number is largest, 9 by 8 or 6 by 5? And it is very easy. All the student can solve very easily only by multiplying the rational number, first rational number, by denominator of second, and the second rational number multiplied by denominator of first rational number. So this example will be solved very quickly without explanation, because you can understand easily. I have already given 3 examples on this topic. 9 by 8 equal to 9 by 8 multiply 5 by 5, that is 45 by 40. 6 by 5 multiply with 8 by 8, that is 48 by 40. 40 denominator same, denominator 40 is same in both rational number. We have to compare only numerator. We have to compare only numerator. only numerator of both rational number. Numerator 48, numerator 48 of second rational number is greater than numerator of numerator 45 of first rational number. Hence 48 by 40, that is 6 by 5, is largest rational number. Greater rational number, we can also say greater largest rational number, or greater or bigger or bigger rational number. Answer 6 by 5. I hope that all the students can understand the topic, how we can decide which rational number is largest. On these examples, all the students can easily solve and check which is greater. I am giving the homework for the student who can analyze himself or herself at the home and find or check that they have command or not on rational number. Homework: which rational number is largest? Which rational number is greater or bigger or larger? First, 11 by 5 and 12 by 7. 7 by 3 and 9 by 5. 9 by 4 and 7 by 3. 17 by 8 and 15 by 7. These 4 questions are homework for all the students. If all the students solve these 4 questions, then I think that they will having full command on the rational number topic, that which rational number is largest. In next class, we will discuss how the two rational number can be added or subtracted or multiplied, divided. In next class, we will discuss the addition of two rational number, subtraction of two rational number. I will discuss the rational number chapter in detail because this chapter is very common for both CBSE class 7th and 8th student. And if any student is found any problem in understanding the topic, they can email or contact on my mobile number given on my YouTube channel, and we will solve their problem directly on the phone. Okay, thank you.